tour. This is a Boardwalk Balcony cabin. We are on deck 12, room 715, so this is room 12715. Okay, right when you walk in, we have a full-length mirror. Our luggage just got here, so it's in here. And then here we have the couch that turns into a bed. This room has a capacity for 3 guests, and we'll turn around here to get our better view. So there is the door, and then we have the bathroom right here and the AC control here. So let's go into the bathroom, and of course it is a step up. They're all step ups, and we have a shower. And I love that Royal Caribbean has the not glass, but right, the plastic shower doors instead of having a shower curtain. Nice shower, lots of shelf space in here, and a huge mirror with lots of counter space, so I appreciate that. And then we have the more storage down there, toilet. Technically, you probably can't wash your hands while you're sitting on the toilet, unlike some of the cabins we've been in. So as we exit, we have a nice closet here. So lots of hanging here, and in fact, you can do the double bar here. So we have a closet here. We have some artwork here, and like I said, this does turn into a bed, and all of our stuff is here. And then on the other side, we have another closet. This one has more shelf space and a smaller area with hanging, and then we have 2 nice size drawers down here. So this cabin does have quite a bit of storage. And then when we get to, I'm going to flip around a second, but I do want to show you the bed, and then we have 2 little cubbies there for storage, and then an outlet and a light on this side. And there is enough room. Your luggage can slide underneath the bed. So as we flip around this way, sorry, all of our stuff is here. We have a nice mirror with a little vanity area, and we have lots of plugs here. So we have a USB, we have 3 US plugs, we have 1 European plug, and I did actually bring a European light, a European plug. And then we have a little desk area and a nice little chair. Now here we have more shelf space, and then we have a drawer here. Here's a blow dryer, and then the breakfast if we want to do room service. And then down here we have a beverage cooler, and then we have 4 nice sized drawers here. Can you stop that? And then here is the bed. So we have 2 twin beds that were pushed together for a king. We have the television here. There's the bed. And then over here, so over here we do not have another outlet, unfortunately. This is my husband's side, so that's okay. We have little storage there, a phone, the lights over the bed, and then here is our balcony. Open it up, and I do want to note this. So that's how you lock it, and then up here they also have the child's lock way up here, so it's unlocked because we were just out here. And do note there is a step up, and here we are. It's kind of loud out here. It's also raining. We are trying to get out of here. Everybody's getting out of here. There's the Carnival Dream because we are in Galveston, and today is actually July 7th, 2024, and we have Hurricane Beryl headed right towards us. So we're trying to get out of here. And there is our Boardwalk Balcony view.